What if I were to tell you that there is an upcoming successor to the famous James Webb Telescope, the Nancy Grace Roman Telescope, set to launch on September of 2026 at the Kennedy Space Center, is one of the biggest breakthroughs in the space of astronomy and astrophysics. It is named after the famous scientist with the same name who was pivotal in the creation of the famous Hubble Space Telescope. Nancy Grace Roman has a primary mirror of 2.4 meters, smaller than Webb's, but nonetheless it will capture images 50 times larger than Webb. When it is launched, it will orbit Earth and then travel to the Lagrange point L2, which is 1.5 million kilometers from Earth. But wait, what is a Lagrange point? Basically, when you have two bodies that both have a gravitational pull, there's a point where those two pulls cancel each other out, and the spacecraft can actually park in a way. The telescope has two main instruments: the wide field instrument, which is a 300 megapixel camera tuned to the infrared. It has a lot of filters for all kinds of imaging. There's a wheel assembly that basically lets scientists control which colors they want to focus on. The coronagraph instrument, or CGI, is used to block light from very bright host stars, so the dim planets can be viewed and their light can be studied. That way we can study exoplanets and find chemical compositions in their atmospheres and possible signatures of life. It will try to ascertain if life is rare or common in the universe. More scientific objectives include the direct imaging of said exoplanets, the study of dark matter, the elusive cause to the speeding up of the expansion of our cosmos. You will ask, has dark matter evolved from the Big Bang? Why does it take up so much space in our universe? Roman will also try to track dark matter by the ripples of gravitational waves from dying stars and the gravitational lensing, the technique which uses the distortions caused by the gravity of massive objects to figure out their mass. This is certainly a very exciting moment to be alive, and for the science of astronomy.